Hi, it's Dr. Saab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch off the ESP. So you might want to do this if the weather's really snowy and maybe you want to switch off ESP to help you get out of the snow maybe, or something like that. You've got the option of switching it off. I would recommend in the snow having ESP on, but if ESP on doesn't help, then switching it off might. Let me know in the comments if this video helps you out. Also subscribe, as it really helps the channel grow and it allows me to create even more content. So I want to say a big thank you to my daughter as well for helping me record this video. Now this video is perfect if you have this style screen. So if you have this style screen on your Mercedes, then this video is perfect for you. Also, if you have these style buttons on your steering wheel with that screen, then this video is perfect for you. Now this video will probably help if you have a Mercedes A-Class, B-Class, CLA, C-Class, GLC, E-Class, GLE, SLC and many other models. Now let me know in the comments if this video helped you out and which model and year you own. But check out the Mercedes playlists to learn more about all the different models and how to use the main features of those cars. Now what you want to do first is start the car, and then what you want to do is use the controls on the steering wheel, go to assist, click on OK, and then go down to ESP, give that a click by selecting OK. Now you can see the system is on, and if you want to switch it off, press the OK button, and now the system's off, and here you can see the ESP is off. Now this system will come back on, I think, after a while. So let's pretend that you switch the car off and then come back the next day. That should probably be back on. Let me know in the comments if that happens. I've never really tested it. If you want to get out of this, press the back button and then press the back button again and you're back on this screen, and then you can change to whatever screen layout you want using the options here. And then if you want to switch it back on, again, just do the opposite. Go to assist, go to ESP, press OK, and now the system's back on and the light's gone off on the screen there. And all I'll do is press the back button, and now the system is back to how it was earlier. Please subscribe, as it helps me and the channel grow and create even more content. Please like this video. Also comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Check out the playlist on useful hints and tips for Mercedes-Benz models, which has more videos like this, including videos on how to disable your Mercedes key to prevent thieves from stealing it. Also, there are videos on how to use the auto park feature and even the cruise control and speed limiter, and much more. I also have videos on how to use the main features of all different brands and other models, so check them out at your leisure. There is also a super thanks feature. If you want to donate to the channel, then please feel free to use this feature, as any money raised from YouTube will be used to buy more equipment. Thanks for watching.